Anyways, I'm Mexican. Schneider Classics, Instagram and YouTube. 92 Civic project. Engine swap. Automatic to standard 5-speed. Best speed there is. Here we go. Favorite root beer?
Here's a dancing romance pop song about love we can't resist. Girl, you know you make my heart throb. Here goes something just like this. Don't fall in love with me, baby. I saw you starring in my dreams lately. Don't tell me with this bad behavior. Save me, oh pretty savior. A faded love story. Don't fall in love with me. Don't fall in love. My love for you's growing stronger. Cannot dismiss you anymore. And my heart really wants to love ya. Oh damn, I think I'm gonna fall. I'm falling for you, darling. You come me closer now. Your eyes are truly something. True love I know I found. Finally think I'm right to think my thoughts out loud. Don't fall in love with me, baby. I saw you starring in my dreams lately. Don't tell me with this bad behavior. Save me, oh pretty savior. A faded love story. Don't fall in love with me. Don't fall in love. Ooh, oh, oh. Ooh, oh, oh. Ooh, oh, oh. Ooh, oh, oh. I feel it so real. I feel it so true. I know you want me. You know I want you. I'm falling for you, darling. You coming closer now. Your eyes are truly something. I think I'm going down. Finally think I'm right to think my thoughts out loud. Don't fall in love with me, baby. I saw you starring in my dreams lately. Don't tell me with this bad behavior. Save me, oh pretty savior. A faded love story. Don't fall in love with me. Don't fall in love, girl. I want you now. Yeah, won't you give me that? Don't fall in love with me. Don't fall in love with me. Don't fall in love with me.
Let's see what we got here. Ooh, 6 minutes. And we got this side disassembled. All the way down to the axle. Get everything all out of that crowd. No rad. This side's ready to be disassembled. And then we got all the way in there. There's no plug in the doors. The doors are all manual.
Here's a dancing romance pop song about love we can't resist. Girl, you know you make my heart throb. Here goes something just like this. Don't fall in love with me, baby. I saw you starring in my dreams lately. Don't tell me with this bad behavior. Save me, oh pretty savior. A faded love heart really wants to love ya. Oh damn, I think I'm gonna fall. I'm falling for you, darling. You coming closer now. Your eyes are truly something. True love, I know I found. Finally think I'm right to think my thoughts out loud. Don't fall in love with me, baby. I saw you starring in my dreams lately. Don't tell me with this bad behavior. Save me, oh pretty savior. A faded love story. Don't fall in love with me. Don't fall in love. Ooh, oh, oh. Ooh, oh, oh. Ooh, oh, oh. Ooh, oh, oh. I feel it so real. I feel it so true. I know you want me. You know I want you. I'm falling for you, darling. You coming closer now. Your eyes are truly something. I think I'm going down. Finally think I'm right to think my thoughts out loud. Don't fall in love with me, baby. I saw you starring in my dreams lately. Don't tell me with this bad behavior. Save me, oh pretty savior. A faded love story. Don't fall in love with me. Don't fall in love, girl. I want you now. Yeah, won't you give me that? Don't fall in love with me. 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 Baby, baby.
That's only a couple bucks. Maybe 100. Who knows?
Is he gonna lay it down, roll it out, or lift it out with the crane?
I'm gonna lift the car up and drag her out. If I can grab this side somehow. Fuck, distributor cap. Here we go.
Take it off.
Let it down. Let it down. Then we can slide it out this way, because pull that out of the way. I don't think we need this anymore.
Yeah, well,
that's the mount for these hose.
I mean, if you can pull,
Oh, no, I
I'll
just bent it.
push it if you can pull it.
You just slide it up.
So do you have the car?
Hold on. Oh, jeez. Well, that's broken now too. Don't reef on it, man.
What would it
You
cost?
might, yeah, it might be just a little simple just to do a little jack.
It doesn't. Told you to take it off.
No, it's not even that bad. It's just a funny piece.
You can't use it anyway. It's not for free.
Yeah, just jack her up a couple
You
inches.
might have to use this distributor.
Well, it doesn't matter. He's gonna use a new one now. Hold on. Just jack her up a couple inches. Before you break more. Because I don't really care what you break on here. It's more the shit we're using. Yeah. Alright, giant ass paperweight. You want 3-cylinder Honda?
A little bit of electrical tape will fix that.
I like your paperweight. Really rolls. Now jump in here and start making some motor noises.
No.
Now this we can take out. Don't need this no more. Well, maybe not. They are generations apart.
That could be the same, but from standard to automatic, it could be the same.
Yeah, but these are two
They're
different
only 4
generations.
years.
This is the last in this generation. This is 95, and this is 2000. So this was the last setup for these parts before they swapped to something else.
We want to move it to the hinge there too.
Can't use that. transmission, so it's going to pull in and pull all of that.
That's a piece of plastic.
So we're going to try splicing. We're doing something with something.
We'll see when we get there. See if it plugs.
So we're going to have that ECU hooked into the motor and have the other ECU, the old one, hooked into the car wiring in the inside and the first plug for in there.
Vroom, vroom. Hey man, this is the most sounds you're gonna get out of an engine for the next while.
What did I say? The cage is still turning, but the fucking squirrel is dead.
The hamster's dead, yeah. That's
thing's dead.
That's what Kevin said.
It still ran on 3 cylinders.
I don't think it will now.
Well, he broke the cap.
And maybe a few other things.
You may need some of the sensors.
Keep her until we get this soul set up and running, and then
The thing is, that has all the sensors we need on it though.
You're gonna change harnesses.
Figure it out.
Can we just cover that?
figure it out, yeah. I'm on your side.
You closed my... It'd be hard to figure that part out, but other than that, it should be fun. You can just leave those wires the way they are.
Yeah, of course I did.
Did it break?
Yeah, not very much, luckily. I have to climb out of here somehow. Well, I'm here now, and thank you for watching this video because he doesn't want to do the outro. Engine's out. So hit that subscribe button and that notification bell if you want to follow this more, because there's a lot more work that needs to be done.
Don't fall in